So namian ko sir, and I think it's something man sir nga based on my studies, I realized nga because we are forced do kanubo sang wala naton na dignify aton language kag ang aton nga literature connected man siya sa mental capacity kag capabilities naton to analyze the world,
Mhm.
understand the
Yes.
world, 'di ba?
Muna gani gintackle ko na siya sa introduction ko sa akon nga nobela, no, ang atong nobela bala nga ang hangaway kag ang higante sa kasing press. It was actually given a grant by Likhaan University, Likhaan sa UP, no, sa Manila for the English translation. Pero in that book, which is coming out in March, included dira may ara ko dira sang daw short critical introduction, and in point out ko dira sa critical introduction nga being faithful or being proud of our local tongue or Hiligaynon, in our case, is actually a form of agency, no? Because it empowers us. Gina-empower, dira gahalin ang power naton. We are beyond what other writers would think of us kung natuto kita sa ating language, if we are proud of our language. Paano kasi ang problema kay kun kisa may mga people who are still colonial in
Yes.
colonial pa sila magpanumdum
Oo.
nga kung maginiligay nun ka hambalo kanila buki,
Oo.
no?
Do
Hambalo
kanubo
kanila
gid
buki
sang ila
ka ano tinaray
pagtulog.
ang kanubo sang ila
Oo.
pagtulo. But what they don't actually realize is when they keep on speaking in English and they speak to their kapwa Filipino, sila ang daw nagmumukhang OA, no? Sila nagmumukhang OA because you're speaking, nag-speak ka in English or you're writing, I'm not saying nga sala ang mag-write in English or mag-speak in English, pero there's really more power, no? May agency kita, may ownership kita in using our local language or ang local tongue naton. So, for me, ara-dira, kay, bisan ikaw, I'm sure, Miss B, you're also a writer, ang nahalata mo gid na siguro nga, every time you write in Hiligaynon as compared to writing in English, mas may puso, no? Mas nagagwa ang imo, mas easier for you to express. One very distinct feature of our language is it is so complex na the complexities cannot be captured in English. For example, mahal ang term naton for utod lang, no, brother or sister, utod. Utod, may ara pa kita nga term nga bugto. Familiar kasi na sa kinaray may bugto sa Western Visayan languages. But did you notice nga ang utod kag ang bugto both come from a longer term, pag-utod or ang pagbugto or nautod or nabugto, meaning you are broken off. No, nautod ka from something. So basically, ang utod or ang bugto, ng bugto, you are dogin gunting, kabla dogin utod ka from somebody else, which is your family or your lineage. Kaya ang imong utod is a part of you. So may